Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping activity that keeps the file locked. Close Word everywhere and make sure autosave isn't running. Next, enable hidden files so you can see the temporary owner file that begins with $$ and matches your document name. Once you locate that temp file in the document folder, don't open anything yet. That temp file is what signals Word that the document is in use. You're preparing to remove the lock safely, without corrupting the original document. Now release the handle that prevents editing. Open Task Manager and end all WinWord. EXE processes so no program is holding the file. Then delete the temp file that starts with $. This removes the Windows signal that the file is in use. If the temp file won't delete, use a file unlocker or have the network admin drop the open session on the server. Locked handles must be released before you reopen. Once deleted, wait a few seconds to ensure the system clears the handle. With the lock removed, open the document and immediately save as to a new name to guarantee a fresh file without residual locks. Make sure tracked changes and comments are intact. If something looks off, copy content into a new blank document to preserve formatting. If reopening still fails, use Word Online or OneDrive to access and extract text, or ask your server admin to forcibly close user sessions. One key tip: if delete fails, reboot the machine that created the lock or have the admin kill the session.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.